Module 1. Internet Foundations. Data Encryption and VPNs.
Every time you send a message, open a website, or make a payment, your data travels across the internet. The problem is, anyone along the way could try to read it. Hackers, internet providers, or even governments.
Well, how do we protect our information?
We use encryption, and sometimes a VPN. Today, we are going to learn both in the simplest possible way.
What is encryption?
Encryption is a way of protecting information so only the right person can read it. Think of it like putting your message in a locked box, shipping it to someone, and they can only open it if they have the right key. If someone else gets the box, they see gibberish, not the real message.
How does encryption work?
Here's a simple version of how encryption works. 1. You write a message. 2. A program scrambles it into unreadable data. 3. The scrambled version travels over the internet. 4. At the other end, it is unscrambled with the correct key. If someone intercepts it in the middle, they can't understand anything. That's why end-to-end encrypted apps like WhatsApp or Signal keep conversations private, even if someone accesses the network.
What is a VPN?
VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. A VPN creates a private, encrypted tunnel between your device and a VPN server before your traffic reaches the wider internet. Many websites already use encryption, but a VPN adds an extra layer of protection, especially on untrusted networks. Imagine sending letters in the mail. Without a VPN, your letters are in clear envelopes. Anyone who handles them can read them. With a VPN, all your letters are placed in a sealed, opaque bag. Only the final destination can see what's inside. That's what a VPN does for your internet traffic.
What does a VPN actually do?
A VPN does 3 main things. 1. Encrypts your data, so people can't spy on your traffic. 2. Hides your IP address, so websites see the VPN's location instead of yours. 3. Protects you on public Wi-Fi, so hackers can't steal logins and messages. This is particularly useful when you're on hotel, airport, or cafe Wi-Fi.
What VPNs don't do?
A VPN doesn't make you invincible online. A VPN does not make you anonymous, and it does not replace good security habits. It doesn't stop malware, bad passwords, or phishing scams. It mainly protects your privacy, your data, your network connection. Let's look at a quick example. You connect to hotel Wi-Fi without a VPN. A hacker on the same network can see which websites you visit or intercept your passwords. With a VPN, everything is encrypted. The hacker sees random data, not websites, not passwords. They get nothing useful.
Encryption plus VPN working together.
Encryption and VPNs work hand in hand. Encryption scrambles your data. A VPN creates a private tunnel for that scrambled data. Together, they make your online activity hard to spy on, hard to track or tamper with. Let's recap what we learned today. Every time you use the internet, your data is moving through many systems you don't control. Encryption makes sure that even if someone intercepts that data, they can't understand it. A VPN adds another layer by protecting your connection itself, especially on unsafe networks like public Wi-Fi. Basically, encryption protects the message. A VPN protects the journey the message takes. Understanding these basics helps you make smarter, safer choices online. In Module 2, we'll explore APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces. APIs are the reason your phone app can talk to a server. Payment apps can talk to banks. Maps, logins, weather apps, and AI tools all work together seamlessly. We'll explore what they are, how they work, and why they power almost everything you use online. See you in Module 2.